FXBros.
Man, we're about to have NFP. Okay, a few seconds before it drops. Okay. NFP release. Oh, debit selling off heavy. Fuck. Hold up. Hold up. God damn. Take profit. Gotta take profit. Took half off the trade. NFP release. But it's the news. That's what the numbers say. NFP consensus 110, 139, 147 actual. So this is bullish for the dollar. Damn. Initial jobless claims are dropping. Everything is dropping. 160, continuing, jumped a little bit. But the initials are dropping. Unemployment rate is dropping. Non-farm payroll. That is dropping, boy. I ain't gonna lie, this is ugly work. I'm gonna keep it G. This is not a beautiful chart. I really was kind of thinking, I was scared. I was kind of thinking buyers was gonna activate. Damn, that bitch suck. We are selling heavy. Let's see. What was the news release? Non-farm payroll. $47K. check. What does 1.7? Previous of 139K. So basically what I just asked ChatGPT is, what does the 147 actual mean on our favorable news release for the previous of 137? That was the previous number. How do we read this number and expect the trade to trade settle for the dollar? What's popping, brother? The non-farm payroll report is one of the most important U.S. economic indicators, particularly for traders in forex, commodities, and indices. Let's break it down. What a 147K actual print means versus the 139 previous, and how it might affect the U.S. price action. Understanding the numbers. Previous NFP 139. This is what was reported last month. Actual, the latest number just released. Expectations. We're seeing your question. To analyze this problem, we need the forecast. But let's assume if the forecast is 160 or higher, the forecast was, I should have put that in. The forecast is 110. Let's see. Forecast was 110. Whoa. Talking to ChatGPT. Market's starting to pull back up. Market's starting to pull back up. 4 hours about to close in 22 minutes. Let's see. And the actual comment here's how to analyze the outcome. Positive surprise. 147 beats 110 by a wide margin. Stronger than expected labor market signal. Market may interpret this as U.S. economy remains resilient. The Fed may stay hawkish longer and delay rate cuts. Market expectation and reaction. USD outlook. USD likely strengthens across the board. Yields, especially 2 and 10 year, may move higher. Is that true? Are the yields higher? 10 year, yes. Look at the yield. The yield is higher, like a motherfucker. Goddamn. The dollar is higher, of course, because the EU is selling. EU is selling. It's starting to pull back right now. Let's go back to this. Fed funds futures may price out rate cuts, pushing the dollar up. Key supporting data to watch. Unemployment rate If it's stable or falls, strengthens USD case. Average hourly earnings. If M-on-M wage growth is 0.3 or more, it's inflationary. USD is bullish. Strong wage growth reinforces Fed hawkishness. Trade setups. Trade long US buys. Example, Euro USD. Sell Euro USD on break below support 1.07. The fuck is that? Just give me a trade setup. The fuck the Euro at? Nigga, we fall away from that shit. 1 point, yeah, we fall away. This nigga talk about 2019 prices. Stop loss. Take profit next demands. Why USD is strengthened for better jobs data. USD is typically react strongly to NFP. Risk reward rate favors continuing if the unemployment claims confirm strength. Trade USD breakout. If yields spike, USD tends to rise sharply, considering buying pullbacks to 5-minute support zones after breakout. So let's talk about UJ buys. 5-minute. Yeah, you ain't got no pullback yet. All you got is a dumbass candle.
You hear me, bro?
I can hear you now.
Good.
Yeah, I ain't hear you earlier. Fade risk assets, strong NFP growth, spook equities. Strong NFP plus wage growth makes spook equities short gold or S&P on intraday weakness. Gold looking like gold is shorting from that news. We don't know what the S&P is going to be, but I did circle this yesterday. I think it was on the daily, and I was looking at this. So it's like, could this be another similar scenario? It still looks like it's moving higher, but a lot of these, even these scenarios, are selling points. So I don't know if the S&P is gonna sell due to because they're not cutting rates. I know if they cut rates, that's bullish for the market. They're still not cutting, so even though the market is still producing all-time high. Yeah, it's good though. People who are holding the stocks. So let's go to some pre-market. Not much on Tesla. Not much on TSM. Uber got a nice little 50-cent lift. Lift is about the same. Not really ish. Nvidia similar. So let's see what happens. Yeah, but I was watching this shit all night long.
Yeah, you and me both.
I ain't gonna lie, boy. I was getting nervous around like 1, 2 o'clock.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I thought this was gonna break out to the upside. I was about to close out my position. I was like, man, this shit ain't about to sell out.
Yeah, I'm out of bias for damn sure.
Yeah, the market gonna be closed tomorrow completely?
Huh?
No, it ain't gonna be closed. I'm tripping. It's 4th of July. Christmas. Damn, gold is fucking tanking.
More opportunities setting up.
32, 60 and 50 was my key. Both of these areas right here was like key levels. I mean, this one got a little deep in there, but I guess it was reaching, trying to continue with this trend line. That's what that was reaching for with this area. But nonetheless, this is still holding. So yeah, if it come back down here, more accumulation, man. Fuck it. This nigga's about to get that big, beautiful bill pass.
You ain't lying.
So
Today or
the market's
tomorrow.
about to go crazy. About to see a fucking $800 Nvidia stock price, man.
Fucking UJ running all the jerseys. But UJ going stupid.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Golly. How many pips is that? 134 and counting. Son of
Right
a
quick.
bitch. That's a good thing, though. That's what we need. We need this volume because it ain't gonna do nothing but retrace and all that shit. Like,
Facts.
so far, looking at this candle, that's the biggest candle we've seen right now, and we're looking at a good 2 or 3 weeks of data right here. Like the only candle that kind of meets that is this coming in at 9 o'clock on Monday, June 25th, and that one gave 80 pips. So nowhere, like damn, it nowhere near. This is 130. GJ, EJ, and you're right, all them bitches. Bitcoin selling off. It's like yeah, this was a fight. Like I said, there's some the 4 hour on the daily was really ugly. It was screaming buys. And it's overall still, I mean, look at the daily, it still is. We just, digging for a better price. Not sure how far
Yep.
it's gonna come down to, but zooming out, I would love for it to sweep right here. And then just
What
continue
what uh what wick is looking to sweep
previous weekly low down here at 63.56.
on Australian dollar?
Yeah. I've been wanting to sweep this for weeks, and we
The
came down here
weekly
and we
last week's weekly low.
Monday, June 23rd. Yeah, this is last week's weekly low. right down here, 63.74. But I was like,
If it does that, then yeah, we starting to hit a reversal. If it goes that low,
yeah, but that wick kind of says different though. Like I'm thinking we could go that low just to, you know, for more added liquidity to buy up. Like I think we still go up. Like I mean, if they pass this bill, like in the job market's holding strong, that ain't gonna do nothing but just promote the dollar to go higher.
right?
Well, really, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I mean, what we were expecting is the dollar to go for the dollar to fall, and it's still under $98, which is a good thing for that to work out. You know, this is just a retest. It already broke structure, so every structure for the most part has to have some kind of retest or some kind of pullback somewhere. And that's what we're experiencing. So I think it's gonna go back to what we all know, and it's just gonna be more sales
Right.
for the dollar, and then AU is gonna turn back bullish. But I do believe we can come all the way down to this wick and might as well just go and sweep this shit. Wick, rejection all down here. And then continue on with a buy. Damn it, like this. Like if I measure, is this gonna be the high and we have a reversal? I'm gonna measure it from here all the way to here. That's 600. That's 675. If I go from here, that's 675 way above that. Oh no, I'm tripping. Not from there. Here. That's what we see. 675. And look at the sweeps, the bearish move. Like that's basically what we're trying to do. Run up this bearish move that happened last year in October. And the same range we ran right now from Trump's tariffs to if this is going to be a reversal or a pullback, a strong pullback, that is 675. And from the pullback, if we sweep liquidity down here, going up another 675 for the rest of the year, we're going to sweep that important point that we sold from out in October last year,
Right.
which I think is the ultimate target.
So let me mute myself. My bad.
We got a shitload of time for this daily close, so we'll look at that.
I'm ready for this red eye flight. Yeah. I'm
Yes, sir. What time y'all leaving? Like, what time y'all getting on that bitch?
about to check right now because they emailed me. I was checking it.
Oh, boy, I'm hungry as shit.
Come on, people. Where y'all at, man? Y'all made me get up here early in the morning. Y'all
Oh, yeah, you
SSFS
doing that
boost
drop
gonna
off,
be
huh?
jacked up. Huh?
I said you doing that drop off.
Like, ooh. Our boarding time is at 5:05.
Oh my God. What?
And we take off the part at 5:35. So I'm gonna keep it G. We probably go depart around 5:45, 6 o'clock, and that'll be early.
Right. But you got to get to the airport by 4 o'clock.
At the latest, shit, especially dealing with pops, that boy gonna want to get there that standard 2 hours before.
Yeah,
Yeah, so I really gotta make sure.
because it's gonna be a lot of people flying. It's the holidays.
Hold on. Oh, you loading on the back? Okay, no problem. Check and see, and just let me know. All right. Yeah, nigga, I'm not. You told me Paul J. You didn't say nothing about the fucking back. Don't play with me, bro. Oh my bad. We live. We live. But yeah, boy, it's gonna be an early one, bro. The early, and I got a late game too. So when
Damn.
I gotta make sure I pack up and get ready. As soon as I get up out of there on some shit.
That's crazy. Yeah, bro, you go definitely want some coffee when you land.
Yeah, you ain't lying. I'm sipping on a cortado right now. Yeah, fine. Yeah, well, the coffee shop, bro. Make sure they got some shit on the menu like that I can order, like a a campana
What the hell is that? A cortada, a campana?
and a cortado. A campana is a espresso, single or double with a and a shot of whipped cream.
Damn.
Nothing else. So I like to get that in a mug of or a cup of hot water to go with it. And sometimes I'll sip that and then sip the hot water behind it. Yeah.
Nice.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if they got that, man. I'm calling niggas up, man. Y'all got a cortada or horchata or
Oh, that boy said honchada.
we just calling. Y'all got whipped cream? Bet. Good enough.
Yeah, that's a fact. Yeah, be like, y'all got espresso? Y'all got whipped cream? All right, I'm done.
I'm gonna tell you how to make it.
I'm sure, man. Them coffee spots in Texas. I mean, yeah, in Dallas, they got
Yeah.
that fire stuff.
Where are we going to close?
Mhm. I don't know. So if I had to guess, we are going to close bullish for the week. This is nothing but news induced volume. Are we gonna trade down and all that stuff, build wicks and all that shit? Yeah, we'll probably be doing that for the next 2 weeks. But ultimately, we bullish, man,
Yep,
and that's a
I
fact.
agree.
Yeah, bro, if you could come along the side, just open up this door. I shouldn't have told him that, because he would be all timid because he's not from here. I
What
told
you
that boy,
talking?
like, yeah, check and see. I should have been like, no, when you go in, come to the side, open that door, and I'm gonna roll it. I should have told him on some New Orleans shit.
Yeah, sound good. Sure, come back down.
I might see a fucking famous person. I'm coming this early. They gonna be setting up the goddamn BET stage. Oh, man, peoples.
Got 1 minute left. See how this 4 hour about to close.
And it's 8 o'clock. Boy, my lift position caught a hit yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad I'm leaping that bitch, but I'm watching it like it's a day trade.
But
I'll be
did
all
it
on top of that bitch.
it was fuck what I was trying to say. You still up overall, but just you was just down for the day.
Yes. Yeah. The light box. I thought this dude was gonna be like Indian or something. His last name's like that Sigh, like Sing or something like that.
Could be African. Maybe I'm
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah.
we got the one bearish dog. Midfield on the 4 hour. Just started a new 4 hour. Sales look decent. We got 17 pips of drawdown potentially with a pullback to the previous weekly high. Let's see how can it. This son of a bitch, bro. YouTube.
Yeah, I'm about to drop this shit off by this minute. So,
It still ain't come yet?
no, they waiting on their credentials. So he was like, if I want, I could just throw it on his truck.
Wait for that shit. Take a picture of it and dip.
Get up on your head, boy, to take a picture.
No, facts. We got it. That's all. That's how I do for what that damn app is. Rolly. When I drop shit out, you gotta take a picture for
Take
confirmation.
a picture. Yeah, I'm about to say that. Taking back to my Amazon, I look like an Amazon nigga. I got blue on and shit.
Oh yeah, you Amazon.
Yeah.
Amazon is a gang, nigga.
It's
You don't want
colorism.
no red going up
Fuck,
in that bitch.
fuck the logo, all that shit, nigga. You got blue on. You got a cart with boxes. Amazon.
Fact.
I don't give a shit. What's credentials, bro?
Oh, they gotta call somebody?
Oh, fuck that no, dog. But what I do is always, because I gotta be accommodating, because these niggas not from here. So,
Right.
I'm like, okay, you over here. All right, let me roll the cart over here, do 2 trips. You know what I'm saying? So I can make sure, like you said, take a picture.
Right.
Yeah. What's going on, man?
crazy.
What it's doing now?
It's still hanging around at the lows that it just created. Kind of trying to pull back up a little bit in this new hour. I know we got the stock market opening up in about 30 minutes.
It's showing right here. Oh no, that's not him. Damn, I'm tripping. Shit. Uh, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna do the right thing. I'm gonna take my bitch ass. I'm gonna drive around. No, I'm over here. I'm over here. All right. Come on, nigga, give me a cart ride. Fuck. All right, how you doing, man? All right. I won't. Well, I don't have my credentials though. I'm trying to meet somebody. They over there trying to get their credentials. I'm over there at the loading. That's what I try to tell them. Like, hey man, they can't just let people come in. Um, I got you.
Yeah, well, 10-year yield went up 1% off of that shit. See what kind of volume the VIX gonna put in. Mm-hmm. But back with it, we do have 2 more news releases coming out. One at 8:45 and one at 9. So that's what we're gonna wrap it up about 9 o'clock. See if we get any more volume in the next 36 minutes and 51 minutes.
You don't hear me, huh?
Nah, I hear you now. Shit. What's down? What's
Oh, that's
down?
great.
That boy, school.
Yeah,
What's poppin', brother? Oh my God.
What's happening, butter school?
I'm out of interest.
Man, school, you not doing nothing for Essence Fest, bro?
no.
Okay.
Out the target.
Um,
200
I'm gonna get with you later on today, brother, about them. Trying to get you right before I leave out to Dallas. So I'm try and get them business cards to you out, when I leave from work.
All right, bro. It's good. Shit, let me know.
I got you.
It's good.
Yeah, yeah.
Man,
Man,
goddamn gold done stopped me out. I don't know what happened.
shit,
I ain't
NFP
even look at
happened,
it
boy.
yet. Huh?
I said NFP happened. It just dropped at 7:30.
NFP.
Non-farm payroll, one of the biggest news releases.
Shit,
Everything
everything
dropped. Look
dropped
at
today.
gold drop, nigga. Australian
Everything.
dollar drop, nigga. Euro drop, and then you go to UJ. That bitch ran the fuck up. GJ ran
More
up. E
ain't nothing but
EJ.
more buyers, more entries. That's why we're running up right now. I'm telling you, I think that's the furthest. If it goes all the way down to that, to last week's week, I could see it doing that next week or a couple of weeks after. But
Yeah, it ain't gonna do it this week. It's, that bitch would have to like, yeah, that bitch would have to tank hard like a motherfucker. I don't think it's gonna do it this week. But look at the bright side. That was last week's low. If we looking at the current week's low, that is when I do my next parameters. That's gonna be Monday morning. That's the current week's low right now, and that can easily be ran. Basically, this is all we did for the week. Like we ain't do shit compared to last week. So the highs and the lows could easily be ran. Put this in a tight ass range after.
That bitch dropped too.
This back up on the cool, but I gotta see a small time frame. I'm gonna pips is that. That's a quick 20. Going back up to the initial open for the news for right now. $65.88. Short term trade. Yeah, I just don't know what's up. DAX running up.
Yeah, that bitch held out. That's the only one I missed still. That bitch. I hopped out to go. Well, I ain't hop out. That bitch stopped me out. That bitch had dropped on some goofy stuff.
Yeah, but we're trying to hang around this little trend line. It finally broke through that bitch. But it ain't break structure when it broke through. It ain't never did that shit. So this could be some new shit Look at all these gold touches on this trend line. We go through fake outs, came
We
back.
can't see nothing on your screen, by the way.
Oh,
Sure.
my bad. But this trend line started from the beginning a year ago. Just been following.
Yeah, hit that bitch again.
Right here. Possible with that entry, but I wouldn't go to sleep on no short on gold. I think gold is just pulling back for a better price. I don't know what, because it did break that very important trend line. But if I look at it on a higher time frame, on the daily, we didn't sell off from it yet. So this daily could, we got 8 hours, 7.5 hours left on this daily to turn back bullish on gold and just completely take out a nigga again on that bitch. It look like it's breaking through on the 4 hour for sure. 1 hour with that daily ain't closed yet. That's top dog. So and if it closed there, that's gonna be a bearish engulfing. One of the first ones we had in gold in shit, nigga, since March. February, March. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm looking at these niggas in this damn chat, boy. These niggas are crazy, boy. You
What
take these
check?
if you want to. Buy gold now. Sell gold now.
Man, fuck them. And
Yes.
fuck gold too.
Damn,
Shit,
look
that
at
shit blew
AU.
it.
What the
What
hell?
happened? What is done?
It's pushing back up.
See?
They said, fuck NFP.
Yeah, see, this is why I took a break.
I don't know what's going
Nigga say this is why I took a break right here.
on.
I want to come back on NFP week.
Nah, facts. I didn't think about that shit. That's probably
That's
not.
when I left. Fuck.
That's what made you leave. Stupid ass.
No
That nigga
cap,
came
bro.
back on NAP and left on NFP. That nigga crazy.
Man, all I know is
Yeah,
Dax better do
it
his thing.
usually don't come on Thursday. It usually come on Friday, but you know the 4th of July bullshit. That's that forced it to come on Thursday. Yeah, that was pushing. I'm glad I took enough profit on it. What I said, the next for the 25th. It's already up 13.
What you doing, man? Oh man.
Turn on. Oh, we got more news coming on too. 25 minutes. It ain't gonna really do shit though. I don't think it's gonna do too much, but there's more news, and we got the stock market. Stock market will be opening soon.
Okay, the whole weekend.
This nigga, we dropping this shit out.
So you still in those sales?
Yeah, but I'm looking at the 5-minute now because I'm trying to see what a structure at, because it ain't no structure on no other time frame. It did just sweep the lows on the hourly and the 4-hour, so maybe it's just returning from that, but that's not strong liquidity though. So that's what making me think this bullish move is just a fake out to get them buyers back excited, and that bitch gonna probably go up to 65.70 and turn around.
That's a possibility, but
It shouldn't go over 85.
the sellers should be excited right now because of that drop. We've been going bullish. That's the trajectory.
Facts.
But them sellers are excited.
Yes, but they not as happy right now with this pullback because I know with the move like that, a lot of niggas probably added sales like at 65.55, 65.50, and now they hit
Exactly.
drawdown.
Right.
So they gotta wait. Gotta be a little patient and wait to see what the 5-minute is gonna start making some bearish structure, taking out lows and shit. Hey. These niggas about to cash out with this damn tax cut bill, head ass nigga. There's about to be a whole lot of boats being bought, summer homes, nigga, and Abu Dhabi face ass. It's about to cash out. Boy, they said Mississippi is the number 2. I don't know who number 1, probably Texas, but Mississippi is the number 2 growing state right now as far as infrastructure and like in GDP. No, that's what they say, GDP. Crazy, right? Some niggas got like, what they say, they got like $35 billion to just build shit. They're trying to get corporations and shit to relocate out there. That shit crazy, boy. How the times change. Like, you got the Browns and the fucking Cincinnati winning Super Bowl, trying to win the Super Bowl. Like, shit changing. Who, like, NBA about to be crazy. Nigga, who gonna win next?
OKC done won the championship.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, shit shifting. It's a big shift. Like, shit ain't the same no more. New York, California, Florida, they losing their shine. Now you got Mississippi and fucking Utah, busing, Arizona. Yeah, that shit crazy. Oh man, where's you going, AU?
Look like it's going up. You stupid.
Stupid. Well, I'm about to get in the bias then. Fuck.
Cause that, I'm sorry, brother, but that bit did look like it was going down. Right now,
Nah, that feels like it's going up, like you said. Like
that bitch taking the detour route, brother.
that's exactly how you trade. Trade what you see.
I ain't gonna cap to you. You know,
That
I mean,
like
this.
well, the consensus says it's going up, so buy. Oh my god.
I'm sorry, bro. It just shouldn't. I mean,
Nah, it's funny because you right though. That's what I'm saying. Like that shit hilarious.
I mean,
trading is easy.
you stupid.
You
Nigga
making this
said
shit
trading
hard.
is easy. Nah,
Nah,
this shit
fact.
is definitely hard. I thought it was easy. After taking a break and coming back,
That's
this shit
stupid.
ain't easy, boy.
Nah, nigga, you can't blame it on that boy. Your ass came back on the same news event you took a break from.
No,
Right?
I'm saying after taking a break and coming back, even amongst the like even if I was to get a win or something, this shit still ain't easy, dog. Like, boy, this shit zigzag like a motherfucker. Had your fucking brain tripping, brain fried. You heard me? Then you be thinking, say I get in on the buy right now, and I put a stop a little lower, a little lower, like we was saying, that bitch going up. I put a stop under the lows. That bitch will go slap me out, then go up, and then have me looking like, wait, what
Facts.
happened?
I mean, if you look at like niggas who bought this low, they got stopped out. You know, when this shit sold off, and now whoever was buying from here, they got stopped out. They mad as fuck because the market moving back in profit. If they would have kept their trade, so like when it's ranging, all it's doing is sweeping liquidity. So when that bitch when it's ranging and doing all that zigzag shit, nigga, take the most difficult trade, which is when that bitch selling off hard as fuck, nigga, buy that bitch. When that bitch pushing bullish and taking out other highs, sell that shit. Like be
Which
the
is
first.
exactly why that shit hard.
You gotta get the reps in. You gotta like just like how when you go to the gym, that
Exactly.
shit be hurting like a motherfucker. You gotta get the reps in.
Cool reps.
That
You heard me?
Nah, for real. That shit do not feel good, but it's rewarding when it work out. You be feeling like you done stole money.
Cool reps. Cause then don't talk about it if that bitch act like it's going your way and you so happen to double down. Then that bitch, soon as you double down, soon as you do it, that bitch fly the other way. Wait. Damn. I was just up. I was just up $30. Now I'm down 30. Wait.
That's why I nigga gotta double down when that bitch pull back to break even. That's when you double down. Nigga be want to double down when that bitch sell off and broke another low. Then that bitch pull back on your dumb ass.
Nah, for real. Double down on the sell off. Shit. Then that bitch go back up and you be like, wait, bro, that bitch was just selling on buku hard. So that's why that's why I know it like, brother, this crazy. That bitch don't give me no clear signal and then cheat on me.
Do not trade on NFP. Fuck that shit.
That bitch
Don't come
give me
back.
clear signals, then cheat. But now that AU busting.
Yeah, man. I was ready for it. I really thought that bitch was gonna push high, bro. I was gonna be mad too. But I was like, fuck it.
Mug is buying. So now I'm saying that to say, boy, don't come into trading thinking this shit easy for nobody. It ain't easy. The experts, what the win percentage on the year be? What's the most people be getting on average at the end of the year?
12, 15, 20.
That shit let you know right there. This shit ain't easy.
That's hedge funds, and them niggas make billions of dollars. Hedge funds,
experts, dog.
And they supposed to be the experts, right?
Yeah, so I'm just saying, letting you know, like, don't have in your head, oh, I'm about to come up in this motherfucker and take $200. No, don't get me wrong, I've done it before. This shit is possible. Take $200, turn to 800, turn to 1,000. It's possible, but how many times you gonna be able to do that shit in the next 3 to 7 weeks? You hear me? Can you do that shit for 7 weeks in a row?
And then you gotta think about the size trade and leverage you gotta do to turn 200 into 800. Like you basically doubling your account 3 times doing some shit like that, 2 times type shit. You know, like that's like unheard of. Ain't nobody even started $1 million account and turned that bitch into 3 million in a month. Like nigga just be happy to make $250,000 off that bitch. Only
Nah,
because
real talk.
it's a big account. That's a livable wage, nigga. 250,000. I could do something with it. But $25, I don't know what I could really do with that, man. You know,
Nigga said,
maybe,
you know.
maybe another 25. I could pay my cell phone bill.
Hey, bless.
Use that shit for gas. Cut out.
Yeah, but that knocked me out. Damn, my alarm went off.
Marcus is open.
And now Dak's pulling back. This be that bullshit.
Crucial.
Yeah, I've been sitting through it though. I haven't been tripping. I just been waiting on a profit from somewhere.
Yeah.
The law could pay me one time. Niggas in the law, you heard me? That's the only thing paying in the market right now.
He said the law.
They ain't trying to pay no niggas. Hey, the good Lord got us, bro.
Yeah, the good Lord will always have you. That's a fact.
In the midst of it all.
You just got to release yourself to him. Like, you got to give it all up. Quit trying to do it yourself.
Man.
That nigga stupid. Listen, man. Look.
This look crazy right now. Tell you that much.
Lift up 1.5%. Uber right behind it. Well, if I had $1 for every time somebody get in my car and say how much they don't like Uber, I had probably like a good 250.
What, you a Lyft driver or something?
Yeah, I be driving Lyft. I've been doing that shit for the past.
What's the difference?
Well, I know a couple of months ago, or maybe like a quarter ago, Lyft had made like some kind of plan, some initiative to like drop the prices for the riders. So it's gonna be cheaper for everybody to catch a Lyft. And they kind of been taking market share from Uber out here, like, because I be hearing it from the actual niggas getting in my car. They be like, yeah, man, Uber be high, and I don't like the people that I be riding with, like them niggas be driving crazy. Like, I done heard all kind of shit. They be talking down on Uber. Even though Uber was the first one here. Yeah. They had like a 2-3 year head start on Lyft.
Yeah.
But that shit about to change though. That shit about to change. The only thing them niggas got going for them was Uber Eats. People say they like fucking with DoorDash more than Uber Eats, so I don't know what they got going on. Elon Musk go buy them niggas. Turn that bitch into Uber X for real.
I only use I use Lyft first too. I check because their prices be cheap, like you said, usually.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I think I might stay, bro.
Stay well.
I think I might stay in New Orleans for 4th of July weekend.
For real?
Yeah, they got this wonderful thing called Essence Fest going on. And goddamn, they out here.
Oh my god. That bitch already started?
Well, I gotta drop some stuff off, so I'm like pretty much in with all the loading crew and people setting it up. But they had this one chick from Atlanta, bro, that kind of like helped me out to show me where I was going. Oh, Oh my
Yeah.
God. And then she want to have a conversation, talk about something. Are you a local? And blah, blah, blah. I'm just like, bitch,
Yeah, she trying to know
you
whether
go,
she can get something to
you
eat.
gonna be in here? Where you going? Blah, blah, blah. I was like, man, I got to drop this shit off and I'm going to work. Fuck. And then I'm going to Dallas after this shit, man. Fuck.
That nigga said he want to stay now. Stupid
I want to stay and have a little fun. Face
ass. Oh
No,
man.
I'm talking like Nubian Queens, boy. This shit,
Yeah,
I
boy.
forgot how lit this shit be, boy.
That's cool. Boy, I ain't been to Essence Fest, boy, in about fucking 20 years, nigga.
And the
Oh,
crazy thing is, it's getting bigger and bigger.
that's crazy.
These motherfuckers got a Pfizer set up in this bitch. Niggas finna be getting jabbed up in this bitch.
Nah, for real, that's crazy. They
Nigga be
gonna
doing
get
jabs and perms,
stabbed.
jabs and perms.
That's crazy.
Oh shit, boy, so crazy.
Oh, that's fire. I need to go. I need to go out
I got
there.
some little soldiers in there. They helping loading this crew up. I hope they tip them boys, man.
What you had to drop off?
Shit, it's my second trip.
You had to drop off
I
some shit
don't,
with your with the shipping company, huh?
yeah, they
Oh,
got
okay.
their boxes shipped to the company, shipped to us downtown, but they came in late last night, and they don't know how it goes at the convention center. Like you need credentials, or you need to know somebody to just walk up in there, bitch. So they try
Got
to get me to go in the back in the loading dock with everybody else, and I'm like, no, it don't work like that. You got to get these packages up off me, or
right.
what a little nigga do.
Right. Man.
So yeah,
TSM just man, that nigga
about
made
to
a
just take one more trip up in there, see if I can find that lady, and I'm going.
that nigga say you better find that lady. Stupid ass. She looking for you too, dumbass. For that New Orleans boy. Tesla trying to figure it out. I don't know if they start selling more cars. I'm just about to go stupid. They trying to lease them bitches for the low, nigga. What the fuck AUD doing? This bitch.
What are you doing now?
That bitch done bust back above the previous weekly high. No, we done been up there all week, nigga. We been up there since Monday at 11 a.m., nigga, and it's Thursday. Fucking 8:30, and we still back up there. Like, come on, man, figure it the fuck out. You either gonna sell or you gonna go up. I'm tired of this
Yeah, bro.
bullshit.
Okay.
Oh man.
Oh, God. All right. That's what we doing. That's what we doing.
Yeah, man. Getting heated. I should have bought that
All right.
bitch.
That's why I'm not focusing on that damn gold trade. That's why I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just let the DAX do what it's doing. I might add, and if it, whatever happens, happens.
What's that going anyway? You short? Are you going long on that? Bought that
Mm-hmm.
bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks good so far.
49, 49. I don't know what gold doing. That bit looking goofy. I'm kind of looking into these GJ buys too. That just went crazy in the last hour.
Move, boy. GJ, EJ, UJ,
JJ.
JJ, AJ. Damn, AJ busting, boy. Damn.
AJ.
No, for real.
Yeah, that's what kind of DJ doing on the slide. Let me see.
Yeah, GJ is going crazy.
Mm-hmm.
That bitch is going stupid.
I don't know what kind of news they had, but
The NFP, that bitch shook all markets, nigga, because it's around the damn Fed been having all kind of testimonies and talks. These niggas saying we ain't cutting, so it was already set up for that shit. All they needed was good job market data, and that's what the fuck they had. So bam, there you go, the dollar going up, bullish dollar.
bullish dollar.
They ain't cutting rates. Probably not this year. They ain't gonna do that shit till next year.
What they gonna cut them for?
They ain't got no reason to right now, but if this nigga got that big ass magnificent bill or whatever the fuck he calling it, that tax cut bill, so if that shit get passed, then I'm thinking they're just gonna have a shitload of more money to spend, and that could do something to inflation. And if it does do something to inflation, and then the job market starts looking shitty, then they go cut rates. That's what gotta happen. Until that happens, they ain't doing shit. The niggas ain't about to cut nothing. They need that inflation to go up for them to cut. Or the job markets to like just fall and be shitty and niggas unemployed like a motherfucker.
I mean, a nigga is entrepreneur like a motherfucker.
For real. I don't even know what the job market feels like. God damn, AU.
That bitch done went up some more.
Yeah, what the fuck?
I told you what it
I'm
looked like
telling
it
you,
was
boy,
doing.
news induced. Like, this is not normal shit. Well, it is normal for NFP, but short week,
I
no, man.
know that shit
Cap. I'm
crazy.
calling
That bitch
cap.
basically just bought up what NFP did. Like, and
Damn,
I'm
Diamond 30
thinking
busting too.
it's damn near the only one. Like gold about to be on the same shit.
Yeah, everything is kind of for real. Well, everything I look at.
Euro about
Damn,
to
US 30.
$8.
See, if I was on a little bit more, dog, I would have fucking entered again.
Go
I,
look at
I
I, I
US
tried
know,
to
30 though.
I
I
know.
tried to bust a sniper game, bro, but I'm not you, so I was like, I can't. That shit was
I
tough.
wasn't ready for it. I wasn't ready for it. I was too. I quickly, like I said, I took half of my trade off, but yeah, that shit is not.
Well, that's smart. Yeah.
When it went down to them lows, but if I was really fucking far, I would have fucking bought that shit, but it wasn't. I didn't like the structure it was sweeping. Like if it would have did that shit around 65.12, 65.10, then yeah, I would have bought that shit. I ain't like where it bought up from. I still don't like it. I still feel like this is bullshit. We won't know until noon. But I ain't waiting that long. Oh, we just had news. Hold on, no, we did. Hold up. We about to have news. Yeah, news about to drop in 56 seconds. Maybe that's what the fuck is running up for. But I don't think this news gonna do too much of nothing. At the S&P Global Services PMI dropping in 45 seconds. And then it's going to back go with the ISM services.
At the high.
I know. Bitcoin and TSM just made an all-time high.
TSM.
Yeah, the Taiwan semiconductor niggas who make all the chips for the world. Besides Intel. Yeah, that nigga's busting 234.
Yeah,
240.
US 30 busting too. That been trying to come catch up. Like catch up. Mm-hmm.
News just dropped. Nothing crazy. Unexpected crazy. Worse than expected.
Probably gonna add the giant 30. I've been looking kind of good. What's up with the German 30 add-on? You fucking with it?
German 30.
It's been holding my trade this long. Shit was.
On a 1 hour, I would not add just yet. Because that wick already swept that structure, and now you about to sweep it again. I mean, you about to break the high. Like, it's too much of a wick to fill to add on. I feel like. I feel you. What? I mean, you in buys already on DAX, huh? You in buys already?
Yeah, I'm already in some shit.
Yeah. I would say the time to add has already passed.
No.
There's really nowhere to add. Like, adding would have been when NFP came out. Like, it really ain't nowhere to add just yet because it ain't really done shit. It's been raining. Look at the 5 minutes. It's been raining like a motherfucker.
Mm-hmm.
And then you got this big ass wick that's gonna fill. And right when it get there and it past that, it would probably gonna sell off. That's why I said I wouldn't add nothing. It already did it right here. Swept this high and sold off. It didn't break above this high yet. Like, we still don't have a candle breaking above this high. And NFP been out for an hour. So yeah, I'd be cautious. I would a little bit.
For sure.
Like 750 was a good add. These pullbacks down here probably, but it's still a tight little range.
So I think I'm in at 8. 8.
Yeah.
All right, dude.
$65.80. We can't go above 85. We go above 85, nigga. We are bullish.
Wait, so what I was thinking when you were saying all that, though, I just wanted to correct the joke. I'm kind of late on it, but I'm going to say it anyway. Your ass don't know what you talking about, Willie. You don't know what you talking about, man. I'm about to put these add-ons, bro. By the time I come back, my shit gonna be up to 24,000.
Stupid. That boy about to go in a coma. And nigga wake up at 2035. Stupid.
Hold on, let me make a deposit right quick.
Stupid ass. Y'all niggas crazy.
Nigga say nigga ain't gonna see that boy for some years.
Nah, for real. What happened to school, man? That nigga went in an induced coma, nigga. That nigga put a buy on DAX.
And never seen him again.
And threw away the password to his account.
Nigga said he wasn't heard of.
Nigga said I never see him again. Urban legend.
For real.
Fucking
Legend for real.
urban legend.
Legend has it. That nigga went long on Dax and never had a stop loss. Stupid ass.
Stupid ass.
That nigga bought that bitch. No stop loss, no take profit. Just run it.
I mean, it's at 40,000 now. Do you think he ever made it? None of us know.
None of us forever know.
The world may never know.
He forgot his password and everything. He can't log in to close the trade.
I'd imagine and say he's up thousands.
I say tens of thousands.
Oh, Lord. Oh, man. Marcus don't play that shit. Marcus will be there. Stop the nigga ass out first. Then, all right, let's get all these chump changes out the way. All right, let's go to 40,000. They ain't playing with nobody.
That's grass. Yeah, but you gotta have 500 pip stop loss to not get tapped on.
Nah, for real. Oh, I'm looking at the GJ. I'm waiting on GJ to pull back. I'm gonna probably get in a buy. I get a pull back.
Running it up. Trying not to lose money.
Oh. My bad.
We got 8 minutes left. I wonder where this hoe gonna close. Where you gonna close, AU? You bastard. I'm about to sell again. Okay, I got balls, bitch. I'm about to drop my balls on AU head. Fuck that, bitch.
Oh, Lord. I think
drop my nuts
just
on
wait for this 15 to close, wait for this hour to close, and see what that next 15 do. If that bit fake out down and go up, you know you had that right there. That's the buys. Damn, GJ start busting again. See, that's what I'm talking about. See, this that shit I'm talking about, bro. For real, bro.
Yay.
For real, bro. That bitch is gone. See, the reason I'm thinking about hopping in this one because it actually broke the previous high to the left. Well, at least one of them. And I think we'll go to the next one.
I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't be mad at a nigga hopping in the GJ buys or anything, J. I really wouldn't be mad. I can't argue with that.
Something happened though?
Nah, it's pushing with strength. Like that's what you want to see. Like big ass candles like that. Like you can't fade that shit. And it's been doing that prior to the news. Like it ain't like the news didn't make it go up. Nigga, it's been going up, and it just continued because of the news. Like, yeah, I would not fade no jabby pair. The only one that you probably can fade, it ain't gonna last long, is probably UJ, and that's because it's controlled by the dollar. But all the other yen pairs are running. But as soon as this UJ pair turn back bullish on the 1 hour, them other ones gonna push even further. So I wouldn't be mad at getting in UJ buys. Cool. Don't know how much it's gonna pull back, but I've been kind of hesitating at 0.6.
It's trying to right now.
That was come back kind of.
That 115 minute was nasty, and that was it.
Right.
I think AU about to bust though, y'all. I ain't gonna cap. It's looking like some buys to me.
AU better chill the fuck out.
I'm done. Wait for this hour to close out. Nigga said that bitch better chill the fuck out. Oh, okay. Okay.
Nah, for real, please. Please.
Hey, not please. Nigga, switch the game.
I'm asking nicely.
If I choke your ass up.
Just another
Cool.
day in the office. Lesson learned. Don't be greedy and take your profits. Somebody just posted that.
Man, fuck all that. These AU buys looking nasty, bro. I'm sorry. I should have hopped in when I told y'all earlier. You joked out. When the nigga said, what AU, what you doing? Nigga said, look like it's about to buy. Well,
Nah,
then
you said that like 30 minutes ago, and it's been up 25 pips. Like,
mine is
that
well.
was money. Money in that talk.
Mine is well. Let me see. Nigga said, let me see.
Yeah, that bitch ran up 25 pips easy.
I'm gonna see what this hour do because it's looking real good, you know. I mean, somebody gotta make money, you know. They already took my money in gold. They gotta pay me back.
Yeah. It's gonna work out for both people.
I don't fuck with AU like that though, for real. Cause y'all be zigzagging around here. Nigga get one push, and that bitch you better take profit like your boy just said. You get that push, get your money out. That's it. Man, you know how that shit go.
Yeah, man. You gotta love their relationship with AU.
Shit. Nigga
I
say
love it.
shit.
But I do hate it sometimes when they don't follow the rules. They got rules in these moves. When you break the rules, you end up in losing positions. Well, I ain't gonna say losing positions. You end up in drawdown. And drawdown is not that fun, but it's a part of life.
January 3rd, busting now. I told your ass you don't know what you're talking about. I should have got it.
Man, that bitch ain't break that wick yet. You talking about
What
busting?
at? What wick?
The previous wick, the wick that it's filling right now.
On the hour?
Yeah.
Watch that bitch take off in about 10 minutes. Wait till this damn hour close.
What your hourly close say? 30 minutes? It got 30 minutes to close?
Yeah, 33 minutes, but I'm talking about this hour though, 9 o'clock.
Right.
Waiting 3 minutes. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna let you know what I'm gonna do.
Man, go with your move, man.
What you said? You said go. Did me a move? What you said? How you said it? Gold fucked over. You ain't lying. So you trying to say not to do it because that same thing happened to your ass on gold. Gold your move. Gold your move.
Gotta go with your move. I mean,
I'm joked out. Nigga changed that
even with
word
gold, I still short gold. Gold going down to 32.26 again. I just like that price. That's accumulation station.
About 32.80.
I'll take that too.
What number you has it?
32.60, right? This little range I got right here. It's coming back down now. And then it's gonna buy up again.
Well, I put alert down. Well, I got one alert at 33.02. I'm gonna push that bitch. 32.80.
Yeah. From 32.80 to 32.50. That whole range is going somewhere up in there.
So does it give me a sell signal? Like right now in this 15 minute, look like about to close red.
Yeah.
Plan.
The highest it should, I ain't gonna say should, the highest that it's allowable to go to for it to still be strong sales is 33.44. As long as that bitch don't go past 33.60, everything should be okay. It done swept enough highs. Put it like that. Don't need to sweep no more highs. Nigga, you've been sweeping highs all day. Nigga, it's time to retrace. Let's sell off. Let's grab some liquidity down here at 332.60. And then let's run it the fuck up. But stop all that sweeping highs and shit. Nigga, you done swept enough highs. Same thing as AU. Stop all that sweeping highs. Let's turn back around. Let's sell off and let's get this money.
Oh, okay. Motivation state.
Nah,
Yeah.
for real.
That nigga sound like Frankie. Yo, set it up.
Come on, man.
Let's get this money. Damn.
So.
Wait, TJ Boston again? Oh no, it ain't go that far. I'm about to say. That bitch still moving though. All right, 9 o'clock close. Where we at, y'all? We got AU trying to go up.
That's still what the Bulls are in the building.
I'm about to buy.
Jordan must be trading this.
I'm about to buy AU. Fuck y'all. No, I'm just playing. I'm about to buy. I'm about to buy GJ, man.
You need to quit calling out these trades. Everything you say actually happening, nigga.
I'm sorry, y'all.
That nigga said everything he said, that shit going up.
Hey, well, when I get in, please do the same. Fuck. Don't switch it up now.
Damn, that bitch running. Boy, what are you doing?
Where we going? You want to go here? I'll take the $25.
Okay, that's good enough. You done swept that little structure. That's good enough. Hey, you chill the fuck out, bro. Chill out, pal.
Man, let me see the weekly chart. What has DJ been doing? It's been pushing. What has been done?
The market's gonna be open tomorrow, huh? I don't think it's gonna be closed.
I don't know. Why wouldn't it be? Shit.
It's the 4th of July.
That shit gonna be closed for a little minute at least. Yeah. That shit though.
I know the volume will be dead, but I think it's gonna be open.
Yeah, they probably gonna have it open for a little while, moving it back and forth, maybe move and shit. Damn, NASDAQ busting. Shit. Damn. That's a new high?
Yeah, fuck.
Damn.
Yeah, that bitch been making all-time highs.
That's because that chip you was just talking about, huh?
25. That
you just saying something about a chip.
Yeah, TSM.
Cutting up right now?
Yeah, they was. I was pulling back. Now it's I think it was almost at 2%. But it's right up under 1%. Uber cutting up right now.
Nasdaq got all that up.
XRP cutting up.
Damn, Nasdaq is not playing. This is crazy. That bitch damn, they got me wanting to get in.
Ain't the Nasdaq? No, that's
Look what I said with that gold. Look what I said. That bitch dropping. Man, what's that? Y'all fucking with the gold sales?
Yeah, I can't get in that bitch with you, but I'll take that help.
All right, thanks.
I'll take
that. I'm just over here gambling.
That nigga stupid. Take profit at 32.80. Let it ride.
Fuck, I need my money back from you, gold, bitch.
And then get your money back and buy it at 32.80, 32.60.
You said TP 32.80, right? Yeah, that's what I was looking for it to go. At least right in there. Let me see.
The dollar extremely bullish, so people are running to the dollar.
32.82.
They even raised the 10-year yield up. That's bullish. Look at that bitch. Ran up for the fucking NFP.
What's that?
10-year yield. So you're going to make more money on your holding a 10-year bond in the U.S. So the dollar is strong. The bonds are strong. Everything's strong. So money is being taken from gold.
Man, fuck gold, man. Gold going up as soon as I get in.
This nigga, boy, get off the 5 minutes.
Bro, I'm down $4 already. I just got in that bitch.
Man, what you put up?
A
$3,000 on the trade?
.01.
Rich.
That bitch. Niggas. Well, what I'm saying is my stop is at like 17. That bitch already on its way. That bitch moving quick with the swiftness.
Where your stop loss at? 33.40?
43. See how fast that bitch moving up though right now?
I see it. Because it know everybody trying to get in sales. Like, that's the move. But like I said, it still could come up there to where you'll fucking take profit at. Like, you got to take profit where the market could go to. Like, I don't know what your risk looking like, but your take profit probably
I'm
need
just
to be
saying
like
how stupid this bitch
33.55.
moving right now. Like, soon as I got in, this is that shit I be talking about. As soon as a nigga get in, bro, this bitch just start shooting the other way. Like, that boy with no remorse quickly. When that shit do shit like that, I be ready to get out and just see what you do, then come back, because that type of shit, I don't like that shit, bro. I take the minimal loss. Thank you. But I'm waiting right now. But I'm just saying, I take that minimal loss, boy. Y'all be bullshit. I'm in it now though. Fuck, that bitch fluctuate too much. Ugly. Hold on.
They got wicks to fill, volume and some sales. It'll suck if that bitch push back up, but
I'm looking at that bitch trying to push up right now, bro. That bitch is not trying to go down. That bitch played as a fake out.
I'm gonna tell you like this. Look, even though you got your stop loss up there at 33.43, I would say if that bitch break and close above the recent high, even on the 5, let me see the 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
They're trying to do a fucking wick right now. Ugly ass wick on 15 minutes and just shoot up. That's crazy to me. Cause like, what's the reason, bro? Like, what's the reason
You
for
still
real?
got 8 minutes though. You got 8 minutes, so this ain't nothing but halfway through. Halfway through. So you gotta just kind of gotta look at it like that too. We halfway through. So just like a 30-minute candle on an hour, that bitch will move. Pull it back 30 minutes, and the next 30 minutes and continue on this trend. So you gotta be waiting. But what I was about to say on the 5-minute, if that bitch closed above the previous high, I would get out that trade because I think it's gonna push up to your stop loss and maybe up to 33.50, and then I sell.
You said if that bitch was like closed
If
at 33.40.
Yeah, if the 5 minutes gonna close at 33.35.
Oh yeah.
I would get out. Yeah. That's V8. It's yours. No, you can have it. I'm good. Don't be lying, man. Yeah, that's the
Boy, Dax is running. Told your ass. Damn. What is up with NASDAQ, bro? What's going on? Somebody tell me
Dax
something.
is right.
Somebody tell me something.
Damn, boy.
Oh, now it's running. Now it's running. Nigga said, Dax running. I told your ass it was running about 20 minutes ago. I'm done.
Man.
Oh, bro. Nah, but real talk. Fuck gold, cause that bitch been zigzagging since I got in. Yesterday. I'm probably about to just say fuck gold and fuck with NASDAQ right quick. That bitch just doing beautiful numbers. Yeah, bro. Gold got me down $7 right now. It's crazy, bro. Like that bitch,
that 5 minutes.
That bitch was just selling up like a motherfucker.
5 minutes. I'm telling you.
I'm on that bitch. That's what I'm saying. I'm looking at this shit, bro. That bitch was just selling off hard as a motherfucker. Now that bitch just won't buy up.
Gotta retrace, man. That was NFP. Motherfucking NFP.
Yeah. Don't trade gold no more during NFP.
Ain't nothing on NFP. All that shit.
Because even GJ pulling back now.
Yeah, all that shit, nigga, that was news, man. News gonna do dumbass shit. What that full close at? See, it didn't break above the high.
Yeah, fuck gold, man. I'm about to be done.
Wait for this one to close.
Hopefully
Hopefully it don't go all the way up to 33, 37, but I'll wait for this 5 minute to close to determine if you want to get out.
Definitely looking like good buys. I ain't about to cap. That was a fake out. Looks up. God damn. They tore up for it though. Like I said, they tore up for that one last little move. Down right quick. Let's do one more move down and we gonna catch some more people on themselves. And that's gonna really make us be able to go up.
I think they need to go lower than that. I don't think that's enough. I really don't think that's a fake out.
We gonna have them niggas thinking that's not enough. And then
oh my god. Oh my god. That's crazy.
then we gonna pull a rug.
And then we go reverse that bitch again about 5 times.
Thanks.
They gonna want to jump out the window.
Yes. I love that strategy. All right, let's do that.
Let's do that. The goal for today is to make 1,000 retail traders quit trading every week. How can we do that?
That's the goal? Not to make these niggas put some more money in?
Nah, they want them niggas to quit because they know one thing. When you quit, you always come back. But I quit smoking weed 30 times this year.
Niggas said this year. Bruh, stop it.
You get by. You know what I'm talking about, though. Whenever you get that first hit,
damn,
it's hard to come back.
Why is always when I get it?
That sounds like a book title.
Why is always when I get in? These motherfuckers start reversing. Going the other way. Hard as a motherfucker, too.
About manipulations.
Like, but this the whole key. The shit look good. There's no reason for this bitch to be dropping. That's the whole key.
For what?
It's GJ.
GJ? Let's see. I'll give you a lot of reasons why it should be dropping. One, it's the London close, so they getting out the market. Two, it already ran up an NFP, so it got to retrace somewhere.
I was really waiting on that fucking retracement.
Yeah, all you gotta do is pull out your fields, go to the lower where NFP did, to this high, and we go pull back to like 97, 197 on GJ. Potentially, that's the potential. It ain't gotta do that, but it could potentially do that. That's what we could see. So yeah, man. So what you sitting there right now?
About to get out all this bullshit. GJ buys, goddamn gold sales, goddamn DAX buys. But that's it. That's it. After this, I'm just trying to see what these motherfuckers gonna do. It looked like GJ about to finally do a pullback on me.
You in GJ buys, huh?
Yeah, it's all good. I was just testing that hoe to see what it was gonna
I think
do.
that bitch gonna go up. I don't know how much it's gonna pull back, but it's gonna go up. Like I said, NFP that made
Right.
this market go up.
Nah,
It's been
it
going up.
just
So
I got a close stop on that bitch though. That's why I was saying I'm probably just gonna get out that
yeah,
bitch.
just get back
I
in.
had
197, 196.8. Fuck it.
I see
Get
what it
back
do
in
though. I'm
that
still
bitch.
here for now.
Yeah, I got back in. I added to my sales on AU. Those niggas about to shake me up. I'm stronger than the market.
Oh, okay. Yeah. This nigga been cutting up today.
Man,
Nigga on 10 today.
hey man, it's been like that for the past 2 weeks. We'll keep it all the way cheap. I've been trigonometry with this shit. EMC squared
Why I
equals.
took extra trades this morning. I should just stay where I was. Niggas at E equals MC squared.
Stupid. I know all that shit. I use that to trade. Stupid. Euro is selling back on. But yeah, man. We're gonna wrap this bitch up. I need to give me some damn food. We're gonna monitor this shit. And see what it's gonna do. But yeah, we'll turn it back around for you, so you should be good on sales.
Yeah, I'm gonna just hold these mugs out. I got a close stop on GJ. I think that bitch probably stop me, but if it don't, hey. Jesus walks, God show me the way, cause the devil trying to bring me down. Yeah,
That nigga hit the Kanye, boy.
Stop playing with him. That's what that means. Yeah, but shit, I'm gonna stop looking at it too. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna just let my phone alert me and be like, yeah, they got you, brother.
Same here. I ain't about to do this shit no more.
What? Yeah. You can't just be sitting there looking at this shit all day.
Look at this shit at 12 o'clock when the 4 hour close, and I'm done.
You know?
All right, man.
All right, but you had real quick. You had seen some of the videos I did for Sick.
Hell yeah,
I mean, for Sick. For Jig.
Yeah, he was running it to me the whole time you was out there and filming this shit, boy. Yeah, you cool with that shit. Like,
appreciate it.
For real. I was like, when I seen it, the first thing I said, boy, you could tell that boy been on a lot of movie sets.
Why? It's nothing but movie the way I do it. I look like
facts. I said that nigga got the angles down. He showing the product off. He getting all the action scene. Like, yeah, this nigga editing. Stupid ass. That nigga the director out this bitch. You heard me?
Yeah, bro, getting down, brother, getting down.
Yeah, that shit fire though.
Appreciate you, bro.
Nah,
we gonna continue to work.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna try to slide out there next month. Just on some little weekend trip. Come fuck with y'all boys.
Yeah, for sure, brother. Come through.
All right, brother.
All right, though, bro. Stay up, man.
Yes, sir. Peace.
Sure.